In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create auto synonyms in Notion, a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Whether you're a writer, student, or just someone who loves organizing digital spaces, having quick access to synonyms can make your content more dynamic and varied. Let's walk through this process step by step, making sure you have all the details you need to get started. First, open up Notion on your device and navigate to the home page of your workspace. You want to start by creating a new page or adding to an existing one. To do this, simply click on the plus sign or the new button. This action opens up a fresh page where we can begin to build our synonym database. Once you're on the new page, you'll notice a variety of options at your disposal. From here, your next move is to click on the Templates button. Notion offers a wide array of templates to simplify your workflow, and in this case, we'll be using one specifically designed for our task at hand. Now, in the template search bar, type Language Dictionary. This search will bring up several templates related to language and vocabulary management. The one we're interested in is particularly designed for learning languages and expanding vocabulary, which is perfect for creating a synonym resource. After you've typed in Language Dictionary, you'll see several options pop up. Look for the Language Learning template. It might not be the first on the list, so scroll through carefully until you find it. This template is structured to help you catalog and access words and their meanings quickly, which makes it ideal for storing synonyms. Once you've located the template, click on it to open and add it to your page. This will automatically load the template structure into your Notion page, giving you a ready-made setup to start your synonym collection. The template includes sections for words, meanings, and additional notes, which we will adapt for our synonym purposes. Now that the template is live on your page, you can start entering your words and their synonyms into the setup. When adding a word, you might want to include multiple synonyms in the notes section to ensure you have a variety of options when needed. Over time, you'll find this database becomes an invaluable tool for expanding your vocabulary and improving your writing efficiency. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up an auto-synonym system within Notion. As you continue to fill out your personal dictionary, you'll find your writing becomes more nuanced and creative. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.